Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Eight Coins Astrology Oracle by Eight Elian-James Showell. This is published by US Game Systems and retails for $24.95 in the US. And of course, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. Now let's get into it. Connect with the timeless wisdom of the zodiac signs, astrological houses, planets, and moon phases with Eight Coins Astrology Oracle. Inspired by the celestial archetypes and cosmic energies that govern our world, these 41 cards with black painted edges deliver insights that can be applied to your daily life. Each card's vibrant artwork was channeled through meditation and created using a blend of hand-painted and digital techniques by tattoo and tarot artist Eight Elian-James Showell. The 132-page guidebook presents full color, enlarged illustrations for each card, along with descriptions and unique divinational messages to guide the reader through their own life changes. All right. We've got a ribbon. This is gorgeous. I really enjoyed the Eight Coins Tarot, so this is going to be a treat. All right, this is a hefty guidebook too. My goodness. Okay, we do have a nice table of contents. Then it goes into signs, houses, planets, and moon phases. Okay, and then we also do have some spreads in here as well. There are no rules to using this deck. Nice. And then we do have a single moon pull, sign, house, and planet spread, and a tarot spread, and birth chart visual here. Cool. And then it goes into each of the cards. Awesome. Okay, we'll do a little bit more in depth after the flip through. I'm going to unwrap these and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the back. We do have some shine. Cardstock is US Game System cardstock. I really do like it. It is nice and sweet in that middle point where it's not too thin, not too thick, and it snaps back just great. This is a good size too. There's those black edges. And here we go. I'll read the name down below just in case it's hard to see. So this is Aries with its symbol. So vibrant. Taurus. Gemini. Cancer. Leo. Virgo. Libra. Scorpio. This is beautiful. Sagittarius. Capricorn. Aquarius. And Pisces. And then this is going to go through the houses. Oh, this is really fun. great depictions so far. And we have the planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, the Sun, Pluto, Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, oh my goodness, Jupiter, and we have the new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Nice. Okay, an overhand. Yeah, it feels really good in the hand. Nice. And we are going to read for the 10th house. All right, so we have House of Goals, Awards and Achievements associated with Capricorn and Saturn. The 10th house rules over our life's work, achievements, recognition, and reputation. In this house, we are asked to explore our calling in life and receive acknowledgement for our contributions. The 10th house rules over public reputation, fame, and popularity. As you pass through this house, you can expect to see growth or transition in your career and public stature. When this card is pulled, you should take stock of your life's work and the opportunities that may be presenting themselves to you. Have you recently made some big strides in your vocation? Or are you struggling to find your path? Do you find yourself craving a sense of accomplishment in your work? Be patient as you climb toward your goals and give yourself credit for your hard work. Okay. Oh, and I love that it has the different tabs here on the side, so you know exactly which section of the guidebook you are in. Fantastic. Oh, I love this. So if you are somebody who likes this art style, this might be a great deck if you are interested in learning more about astrology, the houses, the planets' energy, and even if you want to use this as flashcards, this might be great. There's always going to be something that you spot, I feel, in this art style too. Like there's something that will pop up out at you in a reading that's going to be more significant than any other reading that you have with this card, if that makes sense. So that's going to be fun. I love the style. I think it's vibrant, it's beautiful, but the symbols are there. It's just really well done. I like this deck more so than the tarot, in my opinion. I feel like it's a little bit more cohesive with the art style. I feel like the tarot, that while it was beautiful, I feel like some of the art was, you know, because it is a tattoo represented deck, the type of art was a little bit different from card to card, but this is very cohesive and very similar in the style. So I really like this. I think this is beautifully done. What a very intriguing deck that I cannot wait to get to know a little bit more. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I am now interested in knowing what you think about this deck. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you are just hearing about now? Or if you have the 8 Coins Tarot, what are your thoughts? What do you think? I would love to know about that too. Would that be fun to have this be an addition to your tarot? With all of that, let me know everything down in the comments. Thank you so much for being here. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.